Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G23 and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that. Now you need to get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!